Hi, I'm Dr. Kit Moloney-Geany. I'm a postdoctoral research fellow in the Hilligan lab here at the Malligan Institute. Our lab focuses on infectious diseases and how infections shape and modulate the immune response and what that then means for subsequent infections. And my work has been really around these really cool structures that immune cells make called tertiary lymphoid structures. So tertiary lymphoid structures are these ectopic groupings of T and B cells that form in non-lymphoid tissues. And what that means is that typically you see your T cells and your B cells within a lymph node or in your spleen, whereas here they're actually then forming a structure that is within the tissue where you might have some inflammation. And what's really fascinating is a whole load of similarities between the tertiary lymphoid structures and what you see in a lymph node. And I first got really interested in these with cancer because some research was coming out that when you had immunotherapies and people were responding positively to those therapies, when they actually looked at their tumors, they saw they had tertiary lymphoid structures, and then they were able to actually use it almost as a prognostic marker. The more tertiary lymphoid structures you had within your cancer, the more likely you were to respond.